Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. And for my returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for always keeping it up here on this channel. Yeah, so in today's video, I really want to talk about I want to talk about three things or three reasons why your channel is not growing. Now, when we start channels, we all expect massive growth. We all expect people to view our videos. We all expect um, a lot of audience coming through and watch. But to some point, we are letting ourselves down by doing this. And let me tell you, for as long as you're doing this, your channel is at a higher possibilities of not growing. So I want you to take note of this, and hopefully if someone can leave a comment and tell me if this video has been helpful. So let me just go straight to the video. One of the things that are not making your channel to grow is consistency. Okay, let me tell you, when you start a channel, you have reasons as to why you have begun. Besides being inspired by other YouTubers, there are other much more reasons as to why you're starting. Maybe you want to grow as a person. Maybe you also want to reach somewhere as a person. But why I talk about consistency is that it's the only thing that will make you not to that will make you, or is the only thing that will make your channel grow as faster as you want it. Yes, so when you start a channel or when you have a channel, it's not about you posting when you want. It's about you being consistent and trying to ensure that you have a video at least every 3 or 4 times, or every day. Or if you are able to shoot every day, I would actually advise you to be posting every day if you have time. But if you don't have time, you can choose to upload when you feel it is right. You can feel to upload when maybe twice or thrice, but uploading every day is the deal. If you want, try to lay down what you want, or try to put down like have a goal and a target. The moment you have that, you'll be able to hit that daily upload. Someone is going to ask me, how do you do it? You won't have to upload every day, but you can decide to shoot like 4 or 5 videos in a day, or 6 videos in a day. It's very possible, let me tell you guys. And let me assume each video is around 8 minutes or 10 minutes. In 1 hour or in 2 hours, you've been able to shoot 6 videos, each having 10 minutes or even 8 minutes. Or it's always good to have long videos, but I think I normally tell people the minimum or your video should be is 8 minutes. 5 minutes is okay, 6 is okay, but 8, 10 and above is also fine. Yeah, so shoot those videos in maybe 1 day, and then give yourself time, put yourself on pressure in terms of editing, because personally I think editing is one of the things that really make me take time to upload videos. I can easily shoot, but now editing takes me a bit time, and most especially if a video is longer, because you really have to be so keen just to ensure that what you're uploading, there is no mistake, and you are doing what your viewers will love. Yeah, so that is number 1. Number 2 is what you post. Sometimes some people think about themselves. They prefer posting what they love and not what people want. Look at your audience, get to know what they are posting, get to know what they love, and choose exactly that. And let me tell you, viewers will come, views will come, because that is what people love most. Don't look at what you want as a person, because you'll end up watching your own videos. That is point number 2. Maybe another point is try to do research. The reason as to why your channel is not growing is you're able to get videos, but you're not able to see, compare and contrast how do other people do it. If I'm talking about a recipe, try to make research, and you don't have to copy everything, but try to do research and ensure that at least when you're shooting a video, you're not boring. Like, what you're giving out people there is what they need. Yes, so research is also important. And I had said 3 and I've gone more than 3. Anyway, let's go. And also the other thing that is really important, that why your videos are not working or why you're not growing on your channel, or it's because of the titles. Don't just choose a title. Try to make research and then see. Try to make research and then see this kind of title. If I search it on Google, does it bring any videos? Does it pop? Like, there are some titles you're going to even put on a video and they're not searchable. And let me tell you, the moment you have such titles on your video, eventually it's like they won't even grow. Like, the moment you have such titles on your video, they won't easily, your video won't easily be noticed, because they're not being searchable. No one is searching about what you have put or what you have put as a title. So try to look for searchable content. Try to look for, ensure that your video has a title that is searchable. Yes, that's point number what? That is point number 4 or 5. I had come with the 3 reasons, but I've gone past 3. Anyways, those are the those are the best reasons that I have noticed. Personally, I'm a YouTuber and I have gone through the same thing, and I have noticed those are some of the reasons as to why that my channel was not growing previously. And I decided to share with you guys. So let me know in the comment section what else do you want to know about YouTube. I have promised to share such content with you because I really want us to grow together. So if you are starting a channel, please take note of these reasons. These are the main reasons as to why you're going to start a channel and it won't grow. 1, I've talked about consistency. 2, I've talked about what you post. 3, I have talked about research. If you're not doing research, definitely you will not be able to post what is necessary or what will attract viewers. 4, I have talked about titles. I really wanted to give you 5 reasons as to why your channel is not growing, but I would want also to engage you, my viewers. So if you know some of the reasons, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. Let someone else come and find a reason as to why, or reasons as to why they are not growing, and maybe you might be helping someone just the same way I've been able to help you out. Just the same way I have been able to help you out. So that was it for this video. See you in the next video.